What, Johnny? Johnny? Firefox.
One thing now, me on the problem. Me on the problem.
Yeah, man, crowd of people top of man, you know, man. Yeah, than a bread, you know, man. Warriors them out, you know, man. All AK, man have right strap on back like a rifle. But, oh, man. Yo, lock your bag. Lock your bag. I last time you go down so you catch two. You go catch two fine. You go tell people, boy, just chop me up, you beat me. We two look fine. Pay Kanga Tony. Yeah, man. Long time I don't see the great junta, you know, man.
Yeah, man, outside today, man, you see. The breeze out there. But we are going to try something today.
Pilot man up a front, man, no want to show him face, you know, car. Torture, you know. No pilot, no safe today. Yeah, no pilot, no safe today. Yeah, man, people, we out here on another epic adventure, man. Yeah, and a broad bless up on yourself, you know, man. Today a torture, you know. You hear, peeps? Like how you see me there on a farm, you know, me I beat them bad, you know. So when they see rat them roll out them afraid, you know. Yeah? Yeah, man, people, just so go and keep it locked, man. You see what I say? 1-7 boss, bless up yourself, you know, my dad. You know it come down, don't? Heart of love, man. Yard and abroad. Firefox.
One thing now, me on the problem. Me on the problem. That's all one of the problem. Like the company back row when we can't see. That's it. Oh, the celebrate. See our next man, y'all. No, man, that the next man that won't be going up.
Yeah, man, people. DJ Sukit say I pull up a foot too. You see me?
Pull like them a man, yeah. Pull like them a man. No, it's not. Get me look at thing them.
Yeah, man, I
move out, you see it? Like the sexy girl, Rochelle. Put the camera up on her, man.
Yeah, so Fox spend fee figure catch pilot, you know. Yeah, boy, pilot think
me, I want no problem, you know. Me, I want no problem.
No worry, man.
No worry with yourself.
When you reach out there, we know.
No worry with yourself. Yeah, bro. I sure we can't get to a little like that.
Which side from them?
What you want on, so?
I know.
You know, so a Rochelle place is to get every line, every hook, every sink, all lower seller. You know? What them the boat tile and then something there?
Find this one I have some want a feet.
You know?
1 foot?
Yeah. 1 foot. Find this one.
Yeah, man, hook everything the boy, you know, man.
Man, I go to bar plate.
Wow. Can't sell you 2 bar hook in my box. You know? Boom, mom, left my barrel line, you know. Daddy Randy there. You don't know a thing come down, you know, man. No joke.
And I say, you can't, any man you can't go give and show him, say, I say, you got barrel line and tell us, say, I eat that fox. And I say, you got barrel line, man.
Don't worry about that line.
You have to twist it on this one.
You don't tell me what you twist it. You don't tell me what you twist that. The works of fire, brother. Every man have to dep on scene, bro.
Every man have to dep on spot. That means
this, sir.
Everybody have a fair chance She said yes. So then suppose me can't tell her say boy, I buy no go buy that they blow out.
Hey, we not see. Then say them video.
Don't it? Where video them? We don't get no video.
Junior, come in, can show we video you catch a moonshine snapper there. Come man, you want to see it, you know? Cause man, you say buy or no buy that the moonshine snapper there, you know, and I come and trick people about catch. When you no reach out there, so. Fox I buy, you buy. You have no big man thing. You have no big man thing. I buy it still, you know.
Right now, Fox can't talk. Cause when he come and see that, he say, boy, Johnny, you ain't no money. So I say, what go on, Fox? I say, boy, them boy betting and I say, first man catch a moonshine snapper the year. I get 2 grand from every man. So when he see I say, yo, want my 2 grand right now. You have a picture up on the phone and see where man take it.
Well, you don't do it today then.
Alright.
Active in a bro, J.
You say an idea, yeah?
Yep. Yeah, you know I think that today you don't have to do it, man.
Alright. Now look out.
Show on the skills.
So I go on
You know
today.
what tell you about me no really.
Might be on a friend if you see when we take up a moonshine snapper today, you know. So some man can go and talk about say I buy me buy. That just a fact. Big man say something now, man. Let me turn on back your phone, you know, pa. Back on the phone, you know.
Yo!
You want to write just a man. You dog there. First game, I want to know when I'm out the last time you go to.
Man say make sure none of you know. Clean today, no.
Yo, this is a wire, I'm on. Yo.
Jump. Next block, this you know, man. You cool? After him. I want to do my friend, dog. Friend and I'm talking to them.
I mean, I'm fucked up right there, man. And Junior can't take the inside.
Well, if you don't want to put on it on a team, we can put it as a team, you know, brother. You want to kick in your face, you know.
Alright then, and Junior want to kick facts out at this right there.
You want to kick in your face.
At this right there.
For that, me no video nothing today and take and focus on the fishing.
I know but I blame no video, you know.
For that, me focus on the fishing and no video nothing.
But I blame no video.
Cause you catch couple plur ready and come here. Left who you down so and come here, boss.
So you see, I wouldn't want to do licking, you know. Watch out, see what I'm when you lick, you know, remember I fact you lick, I know me, you know. You understand me, I say?
I'm fire shot in a bungle, man. I'm fire shot in a bungle.
Anybody you catch. Yeah. Yeah.
There's a fire shot in a bungle, man.
Yeah, man.
You know what that means? Say, all you are getting licking in your ass, you know.
Well. You're the best man when they say, you know. I tell you an idea, you know. I know I'm not come first because I have to go busy with the video, but I'm not forwarding last. Sure that.
Fox, you know what I think of?
Think of that? The peeps. Alright. Catch you, sir. Mine I pick this, you know, fuck. Huh? Mine I pick this. So I go on peeps. Ram here are this one for you. You know? This is one me catch. Come on, catching up now. Come on. You know what I'm saying? That's some big one I go do this. Boom, ball upon the ugly crab at it.
Tree black crab.
Tree. I don't know upon them. Nothing. You want no place. Head out of waters now, you know. I find them, Randy. You find a pan full now? Yeah, man, people excited and out again for another adventure. You see what I say? Yeah, man, we're outside, man. People, we are near to 5,000 subscribers. So So as you jump on the video, you just hit the subscription button, same speed, you know? Yeah man, make it happen. Yeah man. Father Steve, bless up yourself, man. Yeah man. No joke about it. Viewers from yard and abroad. You don't know the thing come down, though. Outside of that today. 4 away out here. DJ Wicked Vlogs up on him way. So you know, so madness look more, is it? When he check in, say so I grab up some shrimp and touch down. So we out here, man. We out here, man. See the general lane I left on here, you know, peeps. Yeah, man, old killer. Yeah, man, I look upon him. Wonder if I go on with nothing today. Don't know. Yeah, man. So look what I go on now, peeps, is it? Yeah, man, peeps, so we don't water, you know. See me? Oh, yeah, fox there, so. Randy down here on there, so. See it? So, we test them, you know what I mean? So, just go and keep it locked, man. Yard and abroad, man, I love, you know? Yeah. Johnny, they're way up, so, you know? Say Firefox, I second one that. You know, make the nice the first one, you know. You know how I go on. Remember, I and Johnny at it, you know. I know we are here. Everything are dead today, you know. Hold him, daddy fox. Hold him. First Pinky for New Year's, my boss. Round of applause. First Pinky. Pop, 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 pop. Yo, first Pinky for New Year's, though.
Yeah, man, second time fishing for New Year, boy. First one is for New Year.
Oh, man, I have to go for my second one. Yeah, man, that one a fat. That one a fat too. Two.
As in say, more left, you know, guys.
Yeah, man, that one a fat too.
Second is
Say, man, go left.
Me nah bother left. Me nah bother left.
So it never go.
Me nah bother left. You see it?
Who is that, paper?
One Jamaica Lifestyle Black TV. You see me? Heart of love, you know, people. Yeah, man, peeps.
Fish.
See what go on?
Yes, the man.
But I'm first butter that for here, you know,
Yes,
peeps.
people.
Yeah,
Don't
man.
know DJ Suki there in tune, so getting viewn.
Yeah, man, people. Butterfish
Yes,
that, you know.
butterfish.
Yeah, man, the first one for the year, you know.
That is it.
Firefox, how about that? Fly, my fly, pilot. Yeah, man, peeps. Yo, Firefox, show the people let me snapper. Cause look while the phone stuck. What? People, no see them beat me. Come on, my spot, come beat me. Look there.
I know, sir, handle it.
We a man, fat snapper boy, man, peeps. See him there? Hold on the fox. More you give people a man nice to pose with that snapper there, you know, cause probably tie thumbnail, you know. Hold him up by him gill. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, peeps, see it there? Man, beat me.
Yeah, man.
Congratulations to Fox.
Yes, man.
Him have the biggest snapper since the year start, you know. Yeah, man, switch it over there, so. People. You don't know, so switch check in. Randy and Johnny up, so. You see me, we not see them yet.
Nah, let me look around here. Feel bad.
So-
So I don't move, cause I'm a feel part of them, I'm not feel part. Feel them, so move.
So people, I chew out back my line you know, you see it? Yeah, man, see my local catcher so far. Catch a nice little butterfish. You see me?
I big thing you cut in a two.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, cut my line, dude.
Yes, wicked! Wicked! Yo! I want to get Jenny. I get a blow that. Yeah, me catch one ready, you know. Catch one ready and set him for Barra, but Barra not trouble him. Take him up. See how big him is. Flounders! Hold them, wicked! Oh, you mean, wicked!
If you never yet subscribe to Jamaica Lifestyle Blocks, oh gosh.
My man.
You need to do it, people. Yeah, man, take him to a 7K, guys. Yeah, man, the man him wait to 5. And yes, guys, he's doing it, you know, guys, as you can see, you know, man. Yeah, man, and we out here, people. So make it up, no, man. Yeah, man, take the subscribe list up.
Alright then, peeps. So remember, you know, go over and subscribe to Suki, you know. Brother, this, you know. We just come give me a link, peeps. Anytime. I know I'm not dropping a film place yet, but, you know, when the time is right, peeps. You see me? Yeah, man. See me general over there, so too.
One father fox.
One father fox, man. Make him go a general, you know, peeps. Yeah, man, we are going to go up on a live and talk to you, because you know what thing going, you know. Our team are going to need a GoPro, you know, so. We are going to go up on a live and talk to you, so. Hold them Firefox. Hold them Wicked, you know. Yeah, man. Look how more we are going live, Fox. Yeah, man. Alright. People, so journey forward down here, you know, peeps. In a malice, you know, I don't know how I go and feel, all hiding fish, them. How I go and make you hide your fish, them. What you catch? What you catch? Because I catch about 3 this, you know. And I don't count the pilot, you know. Bombard. 2. We don't count the pilot, so I lead you so far, man. So Randy, I lead. Randy, I lead. What? See Wicked there, you know, my brother, you know, man.
Fully.
Yeah.
Yes, the man. They are not all it, you know, people.
Yeah, man.
But with that, man, bomb up truck. Yeah.
So, Fox members are clean, we keep it clean, you know, no make ignorance. What, Johnny? Johnny? Who me say from where the man now talk about deduct no points when 2 pilot, 4 points at deduct, you know. 4 pilot, yeah man, the man say, yo, no man, are you a young man get 2 pilots since the year start, you know. Yo, people, I don't lie you peeps. I have to gather up and go pro to catch the action, peeps. You see me? Because right now, I can't fish now food in my hand, peeps. I tell you the truth.
Yo.
I have to go strap up on my head and, you know?
Take that, man. We take out my key.
You see me? Yeah, man. Johnny! Hold up the string, make a crowd of people see it, man. How you move, sir? Stop cheating the people, them. They know you're made. Yo! What? Crowd of people, Firefox again? Firefox! Yo, Johnny! Look what I come up in here. Yeah! Yeah! Firefox! Junior, look at him! Yo! Butterfish! Expensive fish, you know, man.
Expensive fish.
Expensive fish, you know, man.
You're good at deal. Yes, man.
Alright, so I'm here lead from butterfish into your start. I want that dropping on me. Yo, walk on there. Johnny, you should start the competition before you come and see you still, brother. A bet. What do you want something? Johnny! Pilot! Yeah! Hi! On my line. Hold on, I'm fine line. Yeah, man, people, so I grab another one, you know, man. Add to your collection, you know?
40 years now, I catch one, man.
So I go on.
Put him in there.
I now count pilot, you know, people. So this is 5, you know? 5 and counting, because I go for the next one, you know? So 5 and counting, peeps. Yeah, man. Randy! It's done, you know, man. All, we don't call it ninja over there, so face mask up from head to toe. You not rush him. Yeah, man, peeps, you outside, man. See me, DJ's Wicked, man. You want to go over in channel, go subscribe, is it?
Just subscribe and keep the thing going. You know, we're on the road to 10K. Yes, man. So just let the thing happen, people. Today, man, I do it, you see?
Yeah, man. I remember, you know, Facts Cooking channel that come soon, you know. You see me?
Master Chef.
Master Chef, you know. Coming soon. Bring them up, make a crowd of people see them. Yeah, man. Fly my fly paint. You out of competition for the, you know, people. You know, no points, you know. In the boat, in catch about 10 of them, there's 20 deduct him there, you know. You see me? In the pan negative. Yo, Fox, make sure you're not none in your bag. So throw them away. Alright, because you're about 8, you know. 3. Yeah, peeps! Wicked! Second one, this my boss.
Yeah, second one, you know.
That is a blue runner. That not too big, man. I set bigger. So if you set guard on him, man, I'm better on him guard.
You put that deal.
I set him, man.
So guys then say them all set up.
I set him on my barrel line.
So we are set.
You see me? Yo, come on nearly dash a fish, brother.
The case I put him.
Once wicked.
Yes.
Strike.
Active
Yeah,
people.
man,
You
brother
know.
and people no go over him channel, go subscribe, you know, man. Please,
That is it.
give him the love.
You know?
I mean, not do it. Me not tell him some me say no.
Yes.
Just subscribe and bless up the Dan. You see me? Cause my brother from another mother. You
That
see?
is it, people, man.
You
That
get
is
what me
it,
I
you see
say?
me?
So you don't know. Randy over there, so my brother see him here. You see me? Yeah, man, one team, you know, people. The team them so good, man. We so alright. You want to say what's up? Man, hold him! Hold him! Hold him! Randy! Randy, Barra! 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 What box them up there, sir? What box them up there, sir? Yo! Randy!
I ain't tell him from his
You want
sister,
to give the
man.
boy
You have to
soup?
get rid of him, you know. If you don't get rid of him, look.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. See, the fisherman go start bite you now, you know. Yeah, man.
You have to get rid of him, man. From him, get it? You have to get rid of him.
Yeah, man. We just call Randy name, man. He only saw us up fishing, man. We have a problem.
When you bless, you bless.
But people, you want now, you see what me I go do?
Get rid of him and catch a fish and look.
Me I go sit there, me I go set the blue run here
That's why
before.
I tell you, say, man, I have to get
You know? So here we have now, peeps. Heart of love and blessing. Randy them out here. Shunta and Fox up this and mash him up.
Here we are.
DJ's Wicked there, so you know what I mean? So love and respect, you know, peeps. What you say, my boss?
We got chop up, man.
So people, you see it now that me they tell you no me can't forward last, you know, so first man run, dead.
Never do that crime, man. You see it?
Alright, so here we have now. Like Wicked there fourth, Fox there first.
on night
Me and Randy are back up for second, you know.
Yeah. And Rick's on night beat, I'll come back out there on night. You see it?
So-
Real activity you can go on, you see it?
Alright then, my boss, so bless up yourself and guidance, you know.
Yeah, man. Look at me, there.
So if you want subscriber that a June time I cut, you know. So you don't know.
Yourself till next time, man. You see it?
Yeah, man. So you up to the next 4 of them, you know, win. With a deal. Fireman!
Yo,
Emmanuel, your whip gone!
have your things in the ground.
Emmanuel, your whip gone in a Firefox! Alright, then we are catch them on camera and make you see them. Man, then see if you left to grab them, Johnny.
Hey, grab them there.
Sprat 2 years you have in your bag there, you know. Sprat, you know. Where's Sprat then there? Alright, my boss. Yeah, man, we outside, man. You see it, peeps. DJ Wicked, Firefox and Randy over there. You see me?
Active out there, peeps. That's it.
Yeah, man, Father Fox.
Father Fox.
Doctor.
Get you, man.
I tie up.
Fish. Tie up, man.
Tie up, man.
Right now, inside and get it.
So me not tell us how tie up, man.
Tie up, man. See, I pick my feel, man. I'm a chicken.
Father Fox and
I told me skill my chicken on the side, man. I'm trying to.
Yeah, man.
Don't skill my skill, man.
That's true. That's
Check. Decent chicken on the side, boy. I'm going to lay down. Boy, I think me say, man, I feel like I one of them big warning there,
Well,
man.
Fox. I had the man for last year, I had the man for this year too. Eh? Eh? Me like him as say look some bait and something. And buck no back. Hold him, Wicked, you hold him. You hold him, Wicked. You hold him, my boss. Take him up. Take him up. Him big enough, Wicked. Don't make him drop enough, Wicked. Hold him. Hold him.
Yeah, Jack and him get the Jack, you know.
Draw him overboard, man.
Wow.
The Jack and him get the Jack.
Wow.
But
Wicked.
one more, baby.
Wicked.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Feel, you know?
Oh, you mean?
That is it. That
No,
is
you
it.
mean?
Yeah.
Wicked.
That's a bad look.
Why? Where you flowing that say?
Indeed, man.
Jesus Almighty, Wicked.
You could have deal.
You could have deal.
Evening catch.
Evening catch.
See that.
Yeah.
sit, you know.
Aye. Randy, man, no ma be too bad now, sir. How you think looks so now, sir?
But out on the phone.
You say, Virgin? Virgin, me no say. Or a blue parrot. Yo, Wicked, let me see what I go on there, sir. Randy, hold him up like the people and say it.
Yeah, guys, you drop off there.
Ah, Randy.
That feeling. Freaking insane.
A silent killer. Conga Tony. Man a shine. Yeah.
Plug out the word.
Yeah, my father. Good luck, man. Good luck, my father. When you done a show people, them you catch them crown your king. Eh? Jaja know.
Where's it?
Where's that?
Boy, the money is small.
Then small. Small.
Yes, kids. Done say have one
Star
next
boy, you know, man.
Say have one next
I him a mash up the evening. You know.
Yes, kids. Say have one pilot.
Yeah, the back time.
The guard of the back of him.
Yeah, the back time, man.
Look at that thing.
What?
That thing, me think,
Virgin.
it's a virgin fire thing.
Ah! Virgin, my boss.
Yeah, man. No joke. See one lifestyle black the peeps. Yes, no man.
Active, you know, man.
See it.
Wicked.
Just to down them, they are see a fish.
Wicked.
And gone, you see.
In drop off.
Yeah, yeah.
Ah, she's supposed to over them, man. I see
It's wicked. Take a look next time, man.
Yeah, I think I said
All if a pilot.
you could have deal.
You could have
You
deal.
come to Portland if you don't catch none of these people.
You don't get your visa.
Well, I'm my first visa. From here I come, I make them tell you. First one.
Wow.
JJ come catch pilot before me. You
Yeah.
know, I say, ah!
And Johnny catch a bag of pilot, them and gone.
I want to make the man run down that talk about say, the man say if anybody catch pilot lose points. I want to make the man run down.
Where's this Wicked?
Yeah, man.
You hold him? Our pilot?
Yeah, man.
Jack! Yo! Yo, me da plan to give you two fish, but not for bother. You're good here now.
A mom's on this.
You're good here now.
Yeah,
my
man,
father. You're
on
good.
this.
You're good. The man catching, Randy!
Deal.
Oh, you stay around there, my father. Firefox, you know, if you go on to a boss, you know, you can't share, you know.
So me get your guys up the back and see.
So, when we ready, man, we sit there, man. We tally up.
Well, me catch one parrot.
No, no, sir.
What we catch?
You don't have them skills there to get for it. You get 2 jack and the flow on that.
Oh, 3 jack.
3 jack, and 2 jack out there so now. 2 jack the land now.
Yeah, man, they are going good.
So you catch 3 jack and a flow on that. So I'm not tell you say you go on good, man.
Great. Parrot data help you do, no?
Hold him, Suket. Yeah? Yeah, man, go and register your name, man.
And people, second pilot van there. You see, you think of something bigger, but, you know, grateful same way.
You join the pilot, them sweet though.
Like a big fish.
Yo, listen, you can't say it again, my boy. I see you think I stop for that before.
See what I go on, no, man. Make you see what I make Johnny run, no, man. Yeah, move, sir. Johnny run, you know, man. Ice up his string, make you see what I go on, man.
What are the food?
No, man, ice up his string, man. You want to see what I go on, you know. I'm going to tell you now, I'm not forward first. But I know I'm not forward last. Yeah, man. Pull up his string, man.
You not show them how they can catch.
Yeah, man.
I do shame to show them.
No, man, we want to see where Firefox go on with. Johnny run, you know.
This father fox catch.
Yeah, man, see the peeps. Johnny run when he see this.
Father fox catch.
Oh, man.
You put that deal.
That's wicked come with him, you know. Could it?
Imagine
Could it?
come from morning people.
Johnny! Could it? Boy, I come third in a race, you know, peep. Because man, then cut up my fish, them and say, boy. So I go on the peeps.
Yeah, man, I be a pilot, you know, people.
Be always pilot, you know, see big fish from my trig. Oh, tired of boy. Pilot, what? Look there.
Better look for pilot. People.
So you no look on, you no look on sitting there, up on Fox trig. Yeah, man, and see great Randy there. Hey.
I want to come in at the race. Let me forward.
About third, sir.
About third.
About third. So second, you strike.
I saw you go.
You strike second, you know, but when you cut up my fish, them and throw me out of the race, brother.
You can't count to cut up. I gone, you know, man.
Yeah, man, babes. Outside, man, until next time, man. Yard and abroad, man. Bless up on yourself and do the right thing. We're outside, we are doing it, is it? Heart of love, man, and enough respect, man. See you upon the next video. Here. Firefox.